My story, huh? Take a ride.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay.
All right, good morning, guys. I got some bad news. The inverter on this truck's kind of stupid sometimes, and I spent $80 at the grocery store the other day, and I woke up this morning to the inverter being powered off, and when I opened up my fridge, everything in it was not cold. So the $80 I spent on groceries is gonna have to get thrown away. So really sucks, dude, because $80 on groceries is a lot of money. And also kind of is like, I probably can't buy groceries because, like, I think what happens is, like, the voltage on the truck drops too low, and then it shuts the inverter off, and then it powers up. But the thing is like, when it powers up, it doesn't power their inverter back on. So, like, everything in there is spoiled. Like, I'm not even gonna try it because, like, I'm not trying to get food poisoning. And if I try to eat that, I'm probably gonna get food poisoning. So, oh, you're gonna roll and know that I'm coming? Come on, bro. But yeah, it just sucks because I no longer have a fridge full of food. The only thing I have apples and oranges in there and some, like, root beer. That's about the only thing in that fridge that's still good. The rest of it's bad. Just drove through Nashville. I think we made really good time. It probably like, it added probably about 20 minutes to our time, but to get through Nashville in 20 minutes, wow, like 30 minutes, that's pretty good. So, and the next big city we'll have to go through is Atlanta, so I'll probably have some traffic for a while in there, but hopefully we can do the same thing in Atlanta and make our delivery before 3. They close at 5, so, but I don't know, I doubt I get a load after this one if they take too long. So, but I should have like 5 hours of drive time, so I kind of hope I can get one, but we'll see. All right, guys, so we are just 0.3 miles down the road from this place. It's gonna be fun to turn in here, I can tell you that right now. Oh, I let off so that guy could cut me off. All right, looks like it's right here. It says shipping, bro. Which one do I turn into? I think I'm gonna turn into this one. I need receiving though. Driver check-in. Oh, I could have went there. Whoops. I should have went there. I still could go. Whoops. Oh well. I should have went. Can I go? He's gonna let me go. Oh, we're gonna go down a little bit. It's okay. Alright, I don't know where we're supposed to park to check in, but I'm just gonna park right here for now. Just go check in real quick. Hopefully I don't get yelled at. Alright, so we spoke to the lady, and she's supposed to back up to any door we want that's open, not back in. Someone will come out and break the seal, and then I have to slide the tandems all the way to the rear. But I spoke to my fleet manager today because I was like, you know, hey, I'm gonna have 4 hours left of drive time. You know, like, what can we do? He's like, we can't do anything today. He's like, but I got you pre-planned for a load tomorrow that's going from this area all the way to Omaha, Nebraska. So I was like, oh, heck yeah. So that's a good load. And then it has a second stop in Colorado, so that's even better. So we're not gonna back up all the way. I mean, we'll line up with the door. So we already messed up, see? So we just need to pull up left. And then right. And then that will carry it towards that hole. Hopefully they don't take too long to unload us here. Because if they do, we're gonna be in some trouble finding parking, because our pickup's not in Atlanta, but it's pretty close. It's like 60 miles away. So. Let me see this backside. I think we're gonna need to shift it over just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. So, like I said, these lines are never right. Right. Left. Straight. There we go. That's about right. That's about perfect right there. Probably even give her just a little bit more left. Stop there so they can come break our seal. We got unloaded. We're headed 70 something miles to a Love's. I need to get fuel because we're down to like a quarter of a tank. And then we're done. I don't know if this yard jockey's coming here or not. But it sucks. I think I said it earlier, but my fridge shut off last night. So I basically got like my Capri Suns out of my Lunchables because those won't go bad if they're at room temp and stuff like that. But yeah, we just really didn't have much of a choice. So that's where we're at, and we'll see you guys here at the Love's when we get some fuel. We weren't planning on stopping at this Love's. However, we might be able to. Also, check out this variant driver. He's a bonehead. Look at that parking job. We got stopped for the day. I know it's a weird view. My GoPro's like already taken apart so I can start editing. We got stopped. We got a delivery or a pickup at 8 a.m. and then we'll be rolling out. So make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe for future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.